Miami, staying cool is serious business, and it turns out making your own sorbet at home is easier than you think.
All you need is some frozen fruits and a Hurom juicer.
You can freeze your own fruit for about 6 hours or skip that step and grab a bag of frozen berries or mango from the store.
They make some really great fruit blends out there that are perfect for sorbets.
So I'm gonna start loading this up. So how much should we really put in here? Like, should I just take the whole bowl? And
yeah,
like
no, I mean,
just
tip
spoon
about,
it in?
exactly.
Okay.
There is almost, that was a great catch. There's a little fill line right here on the side of the juicer. That's usually the max fill, so up to that point as your heart desires.
Got it. Okay, so we filled it up to the line here. Close this up, and I'm just gonna give it a go.
Please, go ahead and watch the magic happens, as we say.
So different ways, if we want to make it a little bit sweeter, what do you recommend? We can add like honey to this?
Yeah, honey, agave, syrup, maple syrup even is really great.
That is awesome. And some other options too. I see that we have frozen bananas, mango, strawberry. Like,
pineapple.
You can have fun with this.
Oh yeah.
And we could even top it with different ingredients after.
Oh, absolutely.
Nuts, cookies, if we want to dabble in a cookie.
Exactly.
Okay.
You can do like your traditional ice cream sundae bar kind of a thing.
Watch it turn into a creamy, smooth sorbet right before your eyes.
It utilizes the discharge chute, and the beautiful sorbet comes out silky, fresh, and delicious.
Add a little drizzle of honey or agave for sweetness, or get creative with toppings like nuts, granola, or coconut flakes.
You can do like your traditional ice cream sundae bar kind of a thing, but with your frozen sorbet product, which you can see.
Cole says it's a great way to get kids involved and make healthy eating fun.
It's a great family activity, doing something with the kids after school, get them involved and teach them that healthy eating does not need to be difficult. It could be so simple. We just made sorbet in seconds.
Yeah, I mean,
It even kind of looks pretty, like how I'm plating it here.
No, exactly.
Wow. Would you like to join me?
I would love
and
to.
And a taste test? Sweet, delicious, perfect, and I know what's in it. The most important part.
Most importantly, you know what's not in it.
Yes, that is even more true.